Channel. I'm Alex.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Leigh.
So this is part 3 of our summer essential oils series, and today we're going to be talking about our after sun spray. We had some sun.
Oh boy, did we ever. Yeah. So we're going to insert some photos here so you can see the before the application and then the next morning in the exact same spot. Nothing has been edited. I've used it on my same son before and I was absolutely blown away at how quickly he overcame his sunburn, because he gets crispy pretty quickly and it usually lasts about 5 days for him.
So this one was super simple to make. There's only about 30 drops of peppermint and 30 drops of lavender. The peppermint just is for cooling purposes, and the lavender is what actually does the healing in the spray. And then I just filled the rest of it up with Witch Hazel.
What size bottle?
This one's a 4 ounce.
Okay guys, that's everything we've got for you today. Make sure that you have liked this video, subscribed, and if you want us to host your next essential oil party, just reach out via email. You can find our email address in the description box. And if you want to join our team, you can find links for that down below as well too. Have an awesome day, you guys. Take care. Bye!